Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadiah binti Muhammad Ihsan. My ID number is 20208 12788. As you can see here, this is the new look of the home page of the revamped websites that I chose. Title: POTS Conference. Okay, the changes that I make for this website is that as you can see above here, I'm using a Athens old libraries as a image background. Why I choose it? Because it is a user friendly and reflect the content, and then I also use a motion effects for the get your ticket now, so that the visitors will so that you will attract visitors to click on the button. Okay, I also inserted a YouTube link or YouTube video that shows POTS conference previously talks, so that the visitors or the attendees can look into the videos before they get their tickets. And then on your right, as you can see on your right, I insert a toll-free call number so that the attendees and the visitors can call the admin of the website to ask anything that they wanted to know about the conference. And then I also inserted a pictures of a arena Greek stadiums here. And then the second section of the homepage is that it is about the POTS conference. I also inserted image of Acropolis Museum, and then I also use a text shadow to give an interesting look for the second section of the homepage. The reason why I emphasize the about POTS because it is important to give visitors a clear vision of what is all about the POTS conference. Information like when was the POTS was founded, and many more. And then lastly, in this page, the agenda is to tell visitors their marketing information, like how many talks will be held, and to name a few. The changes in this website will not only improve the way our potential visitors see us, but also improve how visitors see the company. And then to make it interesting for the last section at the home page is that I inserted Athens old library for the image background for the last section. I think that's all for the home page. Okay, now we go to the next page, which is the Sigmog vision or POTS conference vision. Okay, the changes that I make for this website is that I inserted a Acropolis building for the background image. As you can see on your right, it is a toll-free call, the same that you see at the home page, where you can call the admin to access anything that you wanted to know about the conference. And then here is the vision of the Sigmog or the POTS. Okay, the Sigmog vision is to provide visitors information on how we should value the work of the educators, leaders, scholars through the talk in the conference, which will help determine the success of the students. Okay, the importance of the Sigmog or POTS vision will ensure that the new website and the marketing strategy complement each other to get the maximum business benefit. And then here, last sections of the vision page is that, as you can see, this is the number of the justified client, numbers of the years of experience, numbers of completed project, and then this is tickets, and then this is about the vision page, and then we go to the next page, which is the mission page. Okay, this is the mission page. As you can see, this is the mission page. Sigmog missions or POTS conference mission. Okay, the changes that I made in this website is that I inserted the Athens or library for the background image. Same thing, I inserted toll-free call, and then I inserted the pictures of a Greek stadiums for this page. And then okay, this is the mission of POTS conference or Sigmog. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, the missions of the Sigmog, the importance of the Sigmog mission is that to provide the visitors and the attenders on the main goal of POTS, which or with concern with the principal techniques and applications of database management systems and data management technology. I think that's all about vision and mission of POTS conference. Okay, now we go to the next page, which is history page. Okay, for the history page is that the changes that I made is that I inserted the building of the Acropolis pictures as a background image. I play with shadow text for the second sections, and then I also inserted the pictures of Acropolis museums for the last sections of the history page. Okay, this is about the history page. Okay, the history of the Sigmog of or POTS conference is important to tell the visitors and attenders about the history of POTS conference. First started and many more. They can read throughout the history page to know more about this website. Okay, now we go to the facts page, or the charts of the higher council of Sigmog or POTS conference. As you can see, this is the highest or the higher council of the Sigmog conference. Okay, the changes that I made is that I inserted great arena stadium for the image backgrounds of the of the page. Okay, it is important to show this page. This page is important because it shows the visitors and attendants about who they may listen, okay, to give talks during the conference. Okay, maybe these are the faces that are going to give talks for the conference. All in all, by improving brand consistency, boosting the ranking, and funneling the visitors will help increase the revenue of the website. Okay, now we go to the last page of the website, which is the map page. Okay, as you can see, this is the map. This is the maps and contact us website. Okay, in the last page, in the contact us page, there are displays of a toll-free call and the maps of the conference which the visitors and attendants may want to refer to. Okay, this is the direction to go to the conference ballrooms, and then this is the queries of anything that they wanted to send to the websites, anything problems that they wanted to tell the admin. Okay, this is the contact us, the numbers, the address of the places, the email address. So this is about the last page of the Sigmog conference. Okay, it is important because it gives direction and inform our visitors or our users that our company is a legit business with trusted and verifiable credential. I think that's all for post conference. Thank you.